So we are now going to Bahuvachanam. Panchami Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. The meaning is exactly the same. Instead of saying from one Jayanti Bhagini, I will say from two Jayanti Bhaginis or from three or more Jayanti. It is just an assumption that there are three or more Jayantis, okay? Because in Sanskrit that is the way grammar is taught. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. Two Ramas, three Ramas and three or more Ramas. That's the way it is taught. So otherwise, one Griham, from one Griham, Grihat Agachati, from two Grihams and three or more Grihams. So how do you say from one Griham? We know that. Grihat or Grihataha. But we will use Grihat here. So we should know how do you say he's coming from, they are coming from two Grihams, they are coming from three or more Grihams, they are coming from three or more Padashalas, they are coming from two schools, two Karyalayas. We will talk about that in this part of the class. So, Aushadham Chashakat, from the Chashakam, Chashakaha is Chamasaha is spoon, Chashakaha is glass. Chashakat Jalam Swikaroti. 1 minute. This is a little troublesome earphone, and I don't like this earphone because it's a pain for my neck. But our Lalita Bhagini says, I know I eat my words at the end of a sentence. So for her, I am putting the earphone so that my voice gets clear. Not just for her, for everybody in the class, or even my last word, what I say. Tasmat. You should know that. For that, I am putting the earphone so my voice is clear. So give me a minute. It's a pain for my neck actually. It restricts my degrees of freedom. Shamyata. Astu. Chashakat. Chashakaha is the glass. Chashakat means from the glass. One glass. Chashakabhyam means two glasses. From two glasses. Chashakebhyaha means three or more glasses. From three or more glasses. Chamasat. Chamasaha is spoon. From one spoon, from two spoons, chamasabhyam, chamasebhyaha, from three or more spoons. From is the chamasebhyaha, from three or more spoons. Hastaha, from one hand. Hastat, hastaha is hand only. Hastat from one hand. Hastabhyam is from two hands. Hastebhyaha, three or more hands, from three or more hands. Grihat, from one house. Grihabhyam, from two houses. Grihebhyaha, from three or more houses. Pustakat, from one house, from one book. Pustakabhyam, from two books. Pustakebhyaha, from three or more books. Astu. So this is the pada staraha eva. Now let us get into the vakya staraha. Vakya stare kadam prayogam karaniyam idanim aham vadami. Vayam pathamaha. Aham vadami. Vayam pathamaha. All taught earlier itself. Lat lakara prayogameha eva aham pathami. Vayam pathamaha. Idanim, at this moment, now. Mata chashakat aushatam svikaroti. Chashakat. From a glass, she is taking the aushatam. Chashagabhyam aushadam svikaroti. From two glasses, she is taking the medicine. I am keeping the aushadam as aushadam only, mata as mata only. Because mata svikaroti. Prasadaha svikaroti. Svikaroti. Then karoti kurutaha kurvanti. That kurutaha kurvanti will come only when the kartrupadam changes. So the kartrupadam changes, the kriya padam changes, they track each other in active voice. So we will keep that constant right now. Chashakabhyam svikaroti. From two glasses. Chashakebhyaha svikaroti. From three or more glasses. Chamasat svikaroti. From one spoon. Suppose you don't need to take a glass of a medicine. It is not an Ayurveda Arishtam. It is just an English medicine. Angalaya medicine sarvam, little only. You don't have to take you don't have to do all the hard work and make it into a glass of arishtam or anything. It is all available in the shop. Go take 1 chamasaha of cough syrup. Chamasat cough syrup swikaromi. Aham swikaromi. Chamasat, from the spoon. Chamasat swikaromi. Chamasabhyam, from 2 spoons. Chamasebhyah, from 3 or more spoons. Lekhani hastat patati. Hastat patati, from 1 hand. Hastataha patati eva api samanameva arthaha eva. Parantu atra we are learning Panchami Vibhakti. Ataha hastat patati. Lekhani hastabhyam patati, from both the hands. Lekhani hastabhyam patati. Hastabhyam patati. Lekhani hastebhyah patati. Hastebhyah, from multiple hands, lot of hands. Hastebhyah. So, hastebhyah swikaroti, from their hands. Hastebhyah swikaroti. Multiple hands are there. 3 or more hands are there. Hastabhyam, from 2 hands. Saha grihat agachati. He is coming from house, 1 house. Grihabhyam agachati, from 2 houses. Grihebhyah agachati, from 3 or more houses. Jnanam pustakat swikaromi. Aham jnanam pustakat swikaromi. Ityukte aham jnanam, from 1 book I am swikaromi. I am only learning from 1 book. Anita Bhagini jnanam pustakabhyam swikaroti. So Anita Bhagini is swikaromi, is swikaroti. Anita Bhagini swikaroti. Pustakabhyam, from 2 books she is assimilating and swikaroti. Kim swikaroti? Jnanam swikaroti. From knowledge, she is assimilating knowledge. Pratap Mahodaya pustakebhyah jnanam swikaroti. Ityukte Pratap Mahodaya 3 or more books. He is a big avid reader. He's got a big grandalaya at his house. So he has got a lot of books. Pustakebhyah swikaroti. From multiple books, he is receiving what? Jnanam. So who is the receiver? Pratap Mahodaya. Who is the giver? Pustakam. Ataha pustakam gets the Panchami Vibhakti. Pustakat, pustakabhyam, pustakebhyah. Grihat, grihabhyam, grihebhyah. Hastat, hastabhyam, hastebhyah. Chamasat, chamasabhyam, chamasebhyah. Chashakat, chashakabhyam, chashagebhyah. One very important thing is chashakaha, chamasaha, hastaha are akaranda pullinga padas, namapadani eva, with the visarga at the end, whereas griham and pustakam are akaranda nabumsagalinga padam with the anuswaram at the end, or the ma with the halan, depending upon how you are writing it. Griham and pustakam are nabumsagalinga akaranda padam, but I have put it along with this because they are all common. They are all one common family. So you should remember this chart. They all get that at abhyam ebhyah. At abhyam ebhyah for the Panchami Vibhakti. You should also know the Shashti Vibhakti. Don't get confused. Chashakasya, chashakayoho, chashakanam. Chamasasya, chamasayoho, chamasahanam. Hastasya, hastayoho, hastanam. So only way in Sanskritam is to take the Siddharupam and do by heart. Memorization is the only way. So what is the Prathama Vibhakti? Chamasaha, chamasau, chamasaha, chamasam, chamasau, chamasan. Tritiya I have not taught you. What is the Chaturthi? Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyah, Ramaihi, Ramebhyah. Sorry. So that is the way you have to learn Chaturthi. What is the Panchami? Chamasat, Ramat, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyah. What is Shashti? Ramasya, Ramayoho, Ramanam. What Saptami? Rame, Ramayoho, Rameshu. You should only except the Tritiya. I have taught you everything now. Tritiya, next class is taking, and we have a teacher who is coming to teach you because she's a co-teacher and we're supposed to take this course together. But I have taken all the 16 classes. The 17th class, Radhika Bhagni is coming and teaching. She's an equally experienced teacher like me. Fantastic teacher. At least 15 students of this class go to her class also. So she will also be teaching the next class. She will be teaching Tritiya Vibhakti. So we're just trying to divide some classes between us. It is not that I can't take Tritiya Vibhakti, but then, she was supposed to take a few of these classes, which she could not because of her engagements on a Saturday morning. So I have taken, but next Saturday, she's keeping herself free for taking a Tritiya Vibhakti class for us. So the only way is to learn all the Siddharubam and by heart. Aham, avam, vayam, mam, avam, asman. What is the Panchami? Mat, avabhyam, asmat. Only way is to remember it. Then Chaturthi I have already taught you, Shashti I already taught you, Saptami I have already taught you. The only way is to remember it, and also when you are learning it, also learn it in the reverse order. Saptami, Shashti, Panchami, Chaturthi, like multiplication table. If I ask you 9 into 8, you don't have to do 8 into 9. You can do 9 into 8. 9 into 8 is all 72. 8 into 9 is all 72. Tadrishameva, all the Vibhakti tables. So 7 into 3, the 21 forms should come. 8 into 3, 24 including the Sambodhana also should come to your mind automatically at the ring of a bell. Now comes all the Srilinga padas, Akara and the Srilinga padam, and Ikara and Srilinga padani. Petika will become Petikayaha from one box. Petikabhyam from 2 boxes. Petikabhyaha. So it is not Petikebhyaha like Chashakebhyaha. It is Petikabhyaha. So very important to remember Chashakabhyam, Petikabhyam. Bachigaya. Srilingam, Pullingam, Nabumsakalingam. The middle layer is almost the same. But that Chashakat, Chashakabhyam, Chashakebhyaha, here will become Petikabhyaha because it is Petika. Chashakaha will become Chashakebhyaha, Petika will become Petikabhyaha. Why I am telling you all this is nothing to teach in all this. You have to make your own algorithm, your own map of learning all this. So Petika, Petikayaha, Shashti and Panchami is the same. Petikabhyam, Petikabhyaha. So don't get confused with the Shashti. Shashti Petikayaha, Petikayoho, and the Shashti form of it. But here it is Petik Ekavachanameva Samanaha, Petikayaha, Petikabhyam, Petikabhyaha. Vatika from the garden. Mata Vatikayaha agachati. Mata Vatikabhyam agachati. She went to 2 gardens. Mata Vatikabhyaha agachati. She went to multiple gardens in the evening for a walk. But from the gardens she is coming 3 or more Vatikabhyaha. Nadi Nadyaha. Nadyaha agachati. Nadibhyam agachati. Nadibhyaha agachati. Agati is the same because there is only one Kartrupadam here. Saha agachati. Sa agachati. Bhavan agachati. The moment it becomes Tvam, agachati. Aham agachami. Nadyaha agachati. Nadibhyam agachati. Nadibhyaha agachati. Kupyaha jalam swikaroti. Kupyaha jalam swikaroti. Kupibhyam jalam swikaroti. Kupibhyaha jalam swikaroti. From 2 kupis, from 2 bottles, from 3 or more bottles. Droni bucket. Dronyaha jalam anayati. Dronibhyam jalam anayati. You would have seen some poor people, they have khati and khatya. Khati is not khati, khatam, which is a pot. Or they bring water in buckets also, especially you go to Tamil Nadu and all that. They don't get tap water. Getting tap water is a luxury in India, but our Prime Minister in the last 6 years of his rule has ensured that every village in this country gets tap water. So that is one of the greatest achievements. 6 years. We waited for 60 years just to get tap water in this country. In every village, we had to wait for 65 years of independence, 60 years of independence. To get one bulb in every house, in a village, we had to wait for 60 years of independence. That is a great, governance. I'm not saying which party and all that. Let us not get into party politics here. But we need to know that. For 60 years, we have had villages which are unelectrified in this country. For 60 years, we have villages where tap water doesn't come. But in the last 60 years, greatest development has happened in this country. It may not be visible in big cities, but you go to the villages and talk to the villagers. They will tell you that they used to carry water in pots, water in buckets. Today they get tap water in their villages, or at least a hand pump. Dronyaha, dronibhyam, dronibhyaha jalam aanayati. If a lot of people are bringing janaha, dronibhyaha jalam, jalam to jalam eva आनयन्ति. जनाः किम् आनयन्ति? जलम् आनयन्ति. कस्मात् and kasyaha. Kasmaat is the question for Panchami. Kasyaha is a question for Panchami in Strilingam. So kasyaha agachati anayati. Dronyaha agachati anayati. Dronyaha anayati. Kasmaat anayati. Chashakat anayati. Chamasat anayati. Hastat anayati. The question is kasmat and kasyaha. It is not kasyat. Even I make that mistake when I talk fast. But kasyaha. Shashti vibhakti ekavachana rupam eva. Kasyaha kabhyam kabhyam. Now let us go into aham mat. Mata mat swikaroti. From me she took it. Mata avabhyam swikaroti. From me and my friend, two of us. Mata asmat swikaroti. Asmat swikaroti means from all of us, three or more of us. Mata tvat swikaroti, from you. Mata yuvabhyam swikaroti, which means from both of you. Yushmat swikaroti, swikaruvanti. Janaha yushmat swikaruvanti. Janaha swikaruvanti. Yushmat, from you all. I have written bhavan and bhavati here because the forms are almost the same. Chatraha bhavataha swikaru, pustakam swikaroti. From you, pradama purushaha bhavataha swikaroti. Chatraha bhavadbhyam pustakam swikaroti. From two gentlemen standing there, you, from two of you gentlemen, bhavadbhyam swikaroti. Chatraha pustakam bhavatbhyaha swikaroti. Three or more gentlemen standing in front of us, bhavatbhyaha swikaroti. Bhavati shabdam is exactly the same as the nadyaha, nadibhyam, nadibhyaha, tadrishameva, bhavatyaha, bhavatibhyam, bhavatibhyaha. From one lady, you. From two ladies, you two. From three or more ladies, swikaroti is the kriya padam as used. There are number of other kriya padams also. Bhavatyaha padati. From her it fell down. Bhavati bhyam padati. Something, some kandugam, let us say. Bhavati bhyam padati. From you two it fell down. Bhavati bhyaha patati. From you all it fell down. Patati, anayati, swikaroti. These are all the kriya padam that are used in Panchami. The most commonly used meaning of Panchami, I told you, is from. From something. Pustakam tasmat swikaroti. From him I am taking the book. Pustakam tabhyam swikaroti. Tasmat tabhyam tebhyaha. Etasmat etabhyam etebhyaha. Kasmat kabhyam kebhyaha. Pullinga shabdam kasmat kabhyam kebhyaha. Saha eshaha kaha will now transform in Panchami Vibhakti to the three stambhas on the right side. Rogi tasmat aushadam swikaroti. Let us say that tasmat is a doctor. So tasmat aushadam swikaroti. Suppose there are two doctors. Rogi tabhyam aushadam swikaroti. Rogi tebhyaha aushadam swikaroti. From the three of them, he is taking the medicine. Rogi, let us not say rogi. Rogi is not a very positive. So, aham etasmat pustakam swikaroti. From him I am taking the book. Aham etabhyam pustakam swikaromi. Not swikaroti, swikaromi. Aham eva. Aham etabhyam swikaromi. Aham etebhyaha pustakam swikaromi. जनाः एतेभ्यः लड्डुकं स्वीकुर्वन्ति. So lot of जनाः स्वीकुर्वन्ति. So they are giving laddu. So laddukam स्वीकुर्वन्ति because of जनाः एतेभ्यः from them. सः कस्मात् स्वीकरोति from कस्मात् from whom is he taking? सः तस्मात् स्वीकरोति. सः प्रतापात् स्वीकरोति. सः सुजित महोदयात् स्वीकरोति. सः ललिता भगिन्याः स्वीकरोति. If you don't know the answer is a स्त्रीलिंगम, you can use कस्मात्. काभ्याम, काभ्याम is from which all two, पुल्लिंग शब्दमेव. So सः काभ्याम स्वीकरोति. कस्मात् काभ्याम. सः काभ्याम स्वीकरोति. पुस्तकात् पुस्तकाभ्याम पुस्तकेभ्यः. I said that earlier because पुस्तकम is नपुंसकलिंग पदमेव. So अनिता भगिनी काभ्याम ज्ञानं स्वीकरोति. अनिता भगिनी पुस्तकाभ्याम ज्ञानं स्वीकरोति. From two books. प्रताप महोदय multiple books reader. So I will ask प्रताप महोदय केभ्यः ज्ञानं स्वीकरोति. प्रताप महोदय पुस्तकेभ्यः ज्ञानं स्वीकरोति. प्रताप महोदय एकवचनमेव अथवा अतः स्वीकरोति. The question is कस्मात्, from whom or from where, depending upon whether it is a living object or non-living object or a not living, sorry, depending on whether it is a pullingam or a napumsakalingam. Kasmat. Kabhyam, from where, from whom, two people. Kebhyaha, from where, from whom, three or more people or objects. Pustakat, pustakebhyaha, multiple books. This is what the meaning of Panchami Vibhakti in Saha, Eshaha, Kaha. These are all Pullinga Padams. Luckily, I told you, Sa, Esha, Ka is the same as, sorry, Saha, Eshaha, Kaha is the same as Sat, Etat, Kim. Sat, Etat, Kim also, the question is same as Tasmat, Tabhyam, Tebhyaha, Etasmat, Etabhyam, Etebhyaha, Kasmat, Kabhyam, Tebhyaha. Strilingam is a little different, so you need to know the difference. Sa, from her I am taking it, Tasyaha, which I already told you in the Ekavachanam. Tasyaha pustakam swikaroti. I am taking the book from her. Tabhyam swikaroti. Tabhyam automatically means there are two ladies, two girls, two mahilas or two vanitas standing there. Tabhyam swikaroti. Tabhyaha. So it is not tebhyaha, it is tetabhyaha. Vatikayah, Vatikabhyam, Vatikabhyaha. Tadrishameva. Tasyaha, Tabhyam, Tabhyaha. Now the lady standing near me, Etasyaha pustakam swikaroti, Etabhyam pustakam swikaroti, Etabhyaha pustakam swikaroti. Only one book and all these ladies are giving me together. So Etabhyam swikaroti. Kasyaha swikaroti. The answer will be Tasyaha swikaroti. Etasyaha swikaroti. Sheetal bhaginyaha swikaroti. Sheetal bhaginyaha swikaroti. Kasyaha swikaroti. Kabhyam swikaroti. Tabhyam swikaroti. Etabhyam swikaroti. Or the answer could be Bhavadibhyam swikaroti. Kabhyam could be, the answer could be Bhavatibhyam swikaroti. Then Kabhyaha swikaroti. Kabhyaha swikaroti. The answer will be Bhavadibhyaha swikaroti. Or it could be there are ladies standing. These are all Trishulungeshi. Asmat swikaroti. Yushmat swikaroti. Because these are Trishulingeshu samana artha eva. Mat avabhyam asmat tvat yuvabhyam yushmat. These are all tongue twisters. So that is the reason why I am taking only one class a week. Kasmat, Kabhyam, Kebhyaha, Pullinga Shabdam. Kasyaha, Kabhyam, Kabhyaha. Srilinga Padam. Very, very important for you to keep listening and memorizing it. That is the only way to learn. So that ends the Bahuvachana Shabdas. Ekam nimisham. So now we will get into, I want to just check whether there are any doubts. I'm sure it is, for people who are learning for first line, it might be a little overwhelming, but there are a lot of students in this class who go to multiple classes and for whom this is all kind of child's play because they already know all this. So can we use karoshi and karomi? Dhriti, I have already answered a question long back. Karoshi is Madhyama Purusha. Karoti is Prathama Purusha. Karomi is for Uttama Purusha. So you should not get any doubt about it now or go back to the earlier classes and learn it once again. Astu, we are doing very well on time today. Ataha, we will learn some Subhashitams in the next 5 to 10 minutes and we will close this class. I am assuming there are no doubts so far. If anybody has any doubt, please, what I call, switch on the raise your hands and you can ask also. And you can also ask via the chat section. But I have not seen anything so far. So we are doing good on time. And so that means I should close this class. So. Okay, so today we are going to learn 3 Subhashitams in Panchami Vibhakti. This is something that I already told you in the class earlier itself, but today I am showing you the Panchami Vibhakti form. Acharyat padam adatte padam shishya swamedhaya padam sa brahmacharibhyah padam kala kramena cha. That brahmacharibhyah, it is a little written ulta sida here because it is copied from somewhere. Actually, it should be ha and half ma and all that. So don't get into the brahmacharibhyah, how it is written. It is actually written a little ulta sida. Brahma. So Brahma should be written little, it's written wrong here, but that's okay. That's not the whole point. The whole point is to tell you where are the Panchami Vibhakti usages. Acharyat, Chasakat, Chamasat, Grihat, Bhavanat. At is Panchami. From the Acharya, Padam Adatte. Padam, I told you, Sapada Panjavadanam. Padona Astavadanam. Padona Astavadanam means 7:45. Sapada Panjanam Vadanam means 5:15. That Padam means quarter. So when you receive knowledge or education or whatever it is, Acharyat Padamadate. From the teacher, Acharya, you will receive only 1/4. Padam Shishya Swamedhaya. So I keep writing in the group. Please learn. Please don't listen to my video alone. Go and learn from multiple teachers. Go to Radhika Bhagini's class. Go to any other class that you want. Please learn from multiple teachers. I am also not saying I am an expert and I know everything and I am infallible. No, I make mistakes. Absolutely. But as I learn, I am teaching you. And whatever I know, I am teaching you. And knowingly, willfully, I will not make a mistake. Sometimes it happens with Sanskrit, such a vast language. I just asked a question to a retired professor of Tamil Nadu Sanskrit College. A very simple question. Even I did not know the answer for that. And she gave me an answer. But later on, when I read Lakhu Siddhanta Kaumudi, she had told me the wrong answer. It is such a technical language. Then I went back to her and told, Madam, it is written Lakhu Siddhanta Kaumudi like this. She says, it is a very good doubt that you have asked. And the book is the correct answer. I am sorry I made a wrong answer. So even the greatest of the greatest professors also can make mistakes in Sanskrit because it's such a technical language and there are so many technicalities and it will require us a lifetime to learn that. So just sitting in Prasad's class, you will only understand only 1/4 of what you want to learn. Acharyat Padamadate. Padam Shishya Swamedhaya. You have to put in your effort, 1 hour, 2 hours per day to learn this language. Those who have not put that 1 hour, that is why 60 became 40 in the class today. 43 or 44 in the class today. Because it is difficult to understand unless you put in your own effort. Padam Swa Brahmacharibhyah. So Charibhyah, Brahmacharibhyah is what? Panchami Bahuvachanam. Chasakat, Chasakabhyam, Chasakepyaha. Tadrishameva Patashalayah, Patashalabhyam, Patashalabhyaha. That Abhyaha is a Brahmacharihi Shabdasya Panchami. I am not talking to you Brahmacharihi, but Ikarantah, but Brahmachari, Brahmacharibhyaha. That is the Saptami, sorry, not Saptami, Panchami Bahuvachanam. You can learn it yourself. It is all there on, you can Google it, you can go to, there are enough textbooks available. So, Acharyat Padam Adate, Padam Shishyaswamedaya, Padam Sa Brahmacharibhyaha, Padam Kalakramenacha. Quarter is learned from the teacher. Quarter, teacher or teachers, people who go in multiple classes from teachers. Quarter through your own effort. Quarter through your classmates. So the intellectual intercourse, the intellectual discussion between students and classes. In an online class, it is not possible, but you can have your own WhatsApp groups and all that. There are other Telegram groups and all that. You can have, you please discuss with each other and also learn. Padam so brahmacharibhyaha, Padam kalakramena cha. 2 years back, when I learned Vibhakti for my Pravesha Pariksha, I am honestly telling you, I had no clue about what Vibhaktis are. I was just getting Shirabrahmanam eva agachati satsami. Ityaya Rama Rama Rama. Ramam Rama Rama. Ramena Ramaya Rama. What is all this? Then, slowly, when you start understanding Siddharupam, when you start understanding grammar, discussion with acharyas, discussion with scholars, discussion with other students in the class, so quarter, Padam Kalakramena cha, which means 1 quarter is with the progress of time, you will come to understand. When you learn multiplication table, you don't know what multiplication tables are. But when you go to your 10th standard, when you write IIT joint entrance examination, or when you write the staff selection commission test, question will be asked. 5 people can do a work in 5 days. How many days will 10 people to take the work for, how many days will 10 people take to do the same work? You need to know your multiplication table. There it becomes useful. Padam Kalakramena cha. With the progress of time, with the advent of the time, the last quarter is done. So, quarter is through your own effort, quarter is through teacher, quarter is through classmates, intercourse, of intellectual intercourse with scholars and other people, and quarter is through progress of time. The next Subhashidam is Satsangad Bhavati Sadhu Dakhalanam Sadhuna Nahi Khala Sangamat Khalatvam Amodam Kusuma Bhavam Mrideva Datte Durgandham Nahi Kusumani Dharayanti. That last line, it is written little wrongly. I copied it from the Google and I don't have a time to correct all that because my computer does not have the Sanskritam font. It is Datte Durgandham Nahi Kusumani Dharayanti. It is actually Durgandham. It is written as Mridgandham and all that. It is wrong. It is Durgandham. This particular thing, it is Durgandham Nahi Kusumani Dharayanti. Satsangat, which means from the satsang of good people. Satsangat. From satsangam. Satsangam means the interaction with good people. Satsangat. Ghala sangamat. Ghala, I told you, ghalasya nigraham. Ghala means evil people, bad people. Ghala sangamat. From bad people. So those 2 written words there is the pratyaya with the Panchami Vibhakti. Sanga, Satsangat ityukte, through or not through, from the interaction of good people, from the interaction of the evil people. That is what Gala Sangamat. Satsangam bhavati hi sadhuda khalanam. Sadhuna nahi gala sangamat khalatvam. Amodam kusuma bhavam bhavet. Kusuma bhavam mrideva datte durgandham nahi kusumani dharayanti. Means Satsangat bhavati sadhuna sadhuta khalana. Even evil people, through good interaction, will start acquiring good qualities. Whereas the sadhus, the good people with very strong, fundamentally strong good principles, they will not acquire the evil forces. They will not acquire the evil shakti or the evil habits through the sangamam of the bad people. Just as amodam kusuma bhavam mrideva datte durgandam nati kusumani dharayanti. Which means when the flower falls on the mud, the flower does not get the smell of the mud, dirty mud. Whereas the mud gets the smell of the beautiful flower. Suppose a rose flower falls on the soil, the rose flower does not carry the soil smell, whereas the soil carries a little bit of the rose flower smell. So even Khalanam, even the evil people, some good things will start coming in when they interact with satsang or interact with good people, whereas good people, they will remain intact because they are really good internally, inherently, and they will not start acquiring evil habits even when they interact with evil forces or evil people. Tadrishameva. That is the meaning of this particular Subhashitam. And I will stop with the Subhashitam. This is the last Subhashitam of the class, 8:58, and we are doing very good on time. Panchami Vibhakti is a very light subject. There is only one meaning that I taught you, from. There are other meanings. I don't have the books with me right now, but there are other meanings of the Panchami Vibhakti. That is there in a Pravesha book. You learn that. But if you learned this, that is 95% of Panchami Vibhakti is the meaning that I taught you in the class today. Annat bhavanti bhutani parjanyat anna sampavaha yajnat bhavati parjanyoho yajnaha karma samudbhavaha. Annat bhavanti bhutani parjanyat anna sambhavaha yajnat bhavati parjanyo yajna karma samudbhavaha. Annat bhavanti bhutani. Bhutani means all this material world that you see is actually formed from annam, which is food. Because food is what gets into the body. It creates your body fluids, which finally, is you convert that into all the material forms. Food is the basic thing which converts. It's actually from the Bhagavad Gita, Karma Yoga, chapter 3 in Bhagavad Gita. You can see this particular verses. Annat bhavanti bhutani parjanyat anna sambhavaha. But from where is annam formed? The food is from where is the food formed? The food is formed from parjanyat. Parjanya means rain and water. From rain and the water and vrishtihi is annam formed. Annat bhavanti bhutani. All the material world that you see is from annam, from food. But food is formed from parjanyat. Parjanyat from the parjanyaha. What is parjanyaha? Rains and water and vrishtihi. That is parjanyat. Yajnat bhavati parjanyo. So yajnat means through yaga and yajna, through sacrifice, is the rainwater form. The rainwater is originated from sacrifice. Yajnat. Yajnat does not mean that yajnam, whatever you think of, it means sacrifice. Yajnaha karma samudbhava. So what is sacrifice? Sacrifice is actions. Is manly actions. Actions produce sacrifice. The sacrifice produce rains and water and everything. And the rains and water produce annam, the food. And the food produces all that thing that you see in the material world. So, paropakaraya idam shariram is what I told you in the earlier class when I taught you Chaturthi Vibhakti. This body is not for just earning some money, working somewhere and then looking after family alone. This body is also used to do karma, and that karma is the sacrifice, and so the sacrifice forms the rain and the water and everything, and from the rain and the water is formed annam, which is food, and from the food gives you the energy for whatever you want to produce in the material world. So annat bhavanti bhutani पर्जन्यात् अन्नसम्भवः यज्ञात् भवति पर्जन्यो यज्ञः कर्म समुद्भवः. So our karma yoga अध्याये एव भगवान् तृतीय अध्याये एव भगवद्गीतायां भगवान् एतत् श्लोकः वदति. कर्मं करणीयम् एतत् एव अस्माकं कर्तव्यम्. अस्माकं कर्तव्यं किं? कर्मं करणीयम्. एतत् एव अस्माकं करणीयम्, अस्माभिः करणीयम्. अस्तु, that is what I wanted to end this class with. Okay, if there are any doubts, please ask me right now. You can raise your hands and ask. Otherwise, we will do the Ekatmada Mantram and Shanti Mantram and end this class. Any doubts anybody has got? I only hope I have been audible till now, because that is important. Anybody can write in the chat no doubts, so that I know that I'm audible and there is no doubt. Can somebody unmute and say that everything is clear, please?
Everything is clear, sir.
Clear.
We are able to hear you and we can see you.
All very clear from plain
Samyak Patayati Mahodaya.
Dhanyavadaha. We will now get into the Ekatmastakam. Please mute yourself and sing at your places. Otherwise, there will be a lot of echo. Yam Vaidika Mandadrishaha Purana Indram Yamam Madarishwanamahu Vedantino Nirvachaniyamekam Yam Brahma Shabdena Vinirdirshanti Shaivayamisham Shiva Ityavochan Yam Vaishnava Vishnuriti Stuvanti Buddhastatarhaniti Bauddha Jainaha Satshriya Kaleti Chasikka Santaha Chasteti Kechit Prakritik Kumaraha Swamiti Mateti Piteti Bhaktya Yam Prarthayante Jagadishitaram Sa Eka Eva Prabhuradvitiyaha. Vande Mataram. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Sukham bhavatu, mangalam bhavatu, sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti.
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः महोदय.